Check the timing advance right there. Looks good. It's ready. It's ready.
The fuel pump isn't engaging. Check the relay switch again.
Ah.
It's secure. Must be a short in the solenoid.
Rerouting power to the robotic arm now.
The schematic shows a hairline fracture near the manifold.
Adjusting the welding trajectory.